Hi children, my name is Susanna Gladys. I am an English teacher. Now today we will start the class. Okay, don't want classes now. You are all enjoying, I think, in holidays. You are all enjoyed lot of, okay, with your parents, with mobile, with television, TV. Okay, so no need to read any textbooks, no need to attend online classes, getting bored no. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ರು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಠ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೋರ್ is it but not like that you are fourth standard students you should okay concentrate for studies is it today's first class okay we are starting the first online class okay then fourth standard English book I think everybody had somebody ought to take it now is it and then fourth standard English contents are there 5 units are there 10 chapters and 5 poems. You know, no need to explain lesson, what is the lesson, what is the poem. Is it? You know everybody. Poem is so easy to bahad that only 4 lines, 8 lines like that. But in lesson, we should explain all the words, word meanings, question answers, in all the things is there in lesson. Okay, this you know, 5 what are the contents in English and that main you have to practice handwriting is it you know everybody I think you know how to write alphabets small letters and capital letters in 4 lines notebook is it you should practice daily one page handwriting is it that's very good habit for your studies is it then daily from today only you start all the holidays are finished okay online classes are started now from today you have to practice one page handwriting in 4 lines is it so no need to say how to write in 4 lines okay some letters are like this is it what G small g okay like this and H small h is it like this L I like this and take cursive book okay sir take cursive book and practice like this handwriting so you say I think somebody is writing somebody's handwriting is very nice and then those who are not writing neatly and then get practiced okay take old notebook only okay yeah last year notebooks 4 lines notebooks are there daily one page then if you don't want to write one page write half of a page no problem neatly slowly okay and concentrate the lines and then practice 4 lines enough okay otherwise if you are interested write one page otherwise say half page that's left to your interest that left to yours okay now shall we start first lesson okay fourth standard first lesson and the first lesson is vigilant Vikram okay first lesson is it then just open the book and see that okay lesson now listen after that open the textbook and sit and read if you don't know the word meanings take dictionary underline the words write the meanings take your parents help okay do read well okay and otherwise if you don't know that if in case your parents also they don't know then ask with your school teachers me and HM is there the teachers also is there you can ask anybody okay take your dictionary first and then take your parents help and then finally take your teachers help is it do it yourself first put effort okay read that and find the word meanings first lesson okay page number second okay vigilant Vikram words that smell see these children are going is it what that boy is asking what is Vikram who is he his name is Vikram. Vigilant, he is very brave and brilliant boy. Is it? He is asking, what's that smell? Is it? From nose we are smelling. What is that? Smell. Sometimes bad smell is there, good smell is there, sweet smell. Is it? You know everybody, flower smell, drainage smell, bad smell, good smell. Is it? That they know. Is it? You know. If bad smell coming, ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನೋ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಾಸನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ. Is it? In case mommy is doing what? ಹೋಳಿಗೆ, ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು, sweet. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನೋ ಗಮ್ಮಂತ ವಾಸನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ? ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಐಸ್, ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ನೋ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ nose. You can smell with your nose. Like that. That Vikram is telling, what's that smell? Yeah, it's so strong. I can't breathe. Is it? It's so strong. ತುಂಬ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಾಸನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. I can't breathe. ನನಗೆ ಉಸಿರಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Where is this foul smell coming from? Its bad smell is coming. It's where from it comes? They are asking. Is it? She is asking for Vikram. I think it's coming from Vikram house. Is it? It's from Vikram house. Both friends, they are discussing. It bad smell is coming. From where it comes? It comes from only that side, Vikram house. Let's find out what has happened. Let me see. Bad smell is coming. Danger smell is coming. But in case we are cooking, mommy is cooking in the house. Some gas leakage is there. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಂಥ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್, ಸಿಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್? ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್. ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಮನೆಯಿಂದನೇ ವಾಸನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದೆಮ್. Karan, my younger brother. Karan, he is telling, see here, okay, in the textbook they are discussing. Karan, my younger brother, and I were alone in our apartments. Apartment, you know, is it? Not a single house. House, why house wise? ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೊಂದು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. That's called apartment. So many houses are there in the apartments. My parents had gone out for a meeting and I had left me in a charge of house. Parents went to meeting. In case parents working in office, ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನೋ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನೋ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು meeting. In the house there only Karan and his brothers and sisters, both of them in the house. I was in charge of the house. I was doing my homework. Here see, he is doing homework. See the lesson, page number 3. Okay, he is doing his homework. Then after that you are also have homeworks. After the school started, daily you want to do homework. Like that only he is doing homework. And while my younger brother was watching television. See, here he is doing homework and then younger brother is watching television. Nothing but TV. Is it? Always. In holidays you are doing that only. Always you are watching TV and then playing games. Is it? Suddenly the doorbell rang. Doorbell rang. Is it? My younger brother rushed to the door, thinking that our parents had come home. My brother thought somebody knocked the door, rang the bell. He went to saw that somebody came, parents came. He thought like that. He had asking them to bring him his favorite vegetable sandwich. He unlocked the door and opened it. He opened the door. A salesman selling story books. A salesman is came standing near the door. Salesman is selling the only story books. Stood on the doorstep. Near the doorstep. He is standing there. Karan told him politely that our parents were not home and asked him to call at another time. He said, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ನಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಹಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ. He came back inside and told him about the salesman who had a huge bag full of books. Who is that? He is a what? Full of books bag is there. He started to laugh. It's a pity he was not selling vegetable sandwiches. I said, I know, said Karan, I am really hungry. He said, I know. Who is that knocking the door? See, somebody is came. He is holding that full of bags, books. I am so hungry. I want to eat something. He said, I know, said Karan. I am really hungry. ಹಶ್ವಾಗೋದು. ಹಂಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಶ್ವೆ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. We should eat something in that time. I will get you something to eat. I said. I went to the kitchen. I get some cookies and milk for Karan. He went to the kitchen and get some cookies, biscuits, cookies, you know, is it? And then milk for Karan. Immediately, I noticed a foul smell throughout the kitchen. He asking, I am so hungry, I want to eat something. He asked brother. So he went to the kitchen. He said, wait, I'll bring you some cookies and milk and I'll give you, wait. He went to the kitchen to bring that sandwich and the cookies. Straight away I know that it was gas leak. What he saw there? I said no, bad smell. Gas smell is coming from kitchen. Is it? He saw that. I recall that mom had told me about that foul smell that comes if there is a gas leak. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಐ ನೋ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ನೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ನೋಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆದಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮೂಗು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬಂದರೂ ರುಚಿ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಅದು ಫನ್ನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರೋ ಗ್ಯಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ರುಚಿ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ವೀಟು ಫುಡ್ಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇವನ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೀ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, somebody is coming, ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. we are telling, we are explaining how to take care about the gas pipe, gas leaking, ಒಂದು ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್, ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕಿಂಗ್, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಿಚನ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀರ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ parents are going outside. You should take the neighbor's help. ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಂಟಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಬಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಆಂಟಿ ಸಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕೇರ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಿಚನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕಿಂಗ್, ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕಬಾರ್ದು. ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಗಾಬರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕತ್ಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ bad, dangerous. You should not switch on the light. Open all the windows first. First we have to do open the windows. Air should become inside. ಗಾಳಿ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಟ್ ದ ರೂಮ್. ಡೋರ್ಸು ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, we should take care. We should open the windows, doors and ventilate the room. And let the accumulated gas escape outside. Then check the regulator valve and the stove knobs and turn them off well if they were left on. She had also warned me not use open flame to detect the leak as smell grow worse. I remembered mom's advice. She had said to wise educate the house if you still smell gas in the kitchen. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು 4th 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಚನ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತಮ್ಮಗೆ ಊಟ ಹಾಕೊಡು, ತಂಗಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಹಾಕೊಡು, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. Is it for meeting, for shopping, anything? Is it when they are going outside, you should take care of the house and your brothers, your sisters, and especially gas leaking. Is it? That is main. Today only you ask with your parents, amma regulator andre enu, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೀಕ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೇರ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್, ವೆಂಟಿಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ವಿಂಡೋ ಡೋರ್ಸು ಓಪನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲೈಟ್ನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೋ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾ, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಡೇಂಜರು. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫೈರ್ ದಿನದ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, you should take the care. Okay, is it? This much enough. Let me, tomorrow I will continue the lesson. Okay, page number 2 and 3 I'll finish now today. Page number 4, second chapter, second para, I will do tomorrow. Sit and read the lesson. Okay, in case you don't know the meaning, I said no before only, take dictionary, otherwise underline the words, ask me, take teacher's help, take your parents' help first of all. Okay, in case that's better. Take the dictionary and read, find the Kannada meaning also. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ. Take your parents' help, teachers' help. Okay, then do it. Then read the lesson carefully. Concentrate the lesson. Concentrate the spellings. And I said no, please what? Practice the handwriting daily. I said before only 1 page. In case you don't want half page, 4 lines, 8 lines like that only. I think 10 lines in 1 page. Take 5 lines every day or 10 lines every day. That's good. Read the lesson carefully. And now today this is our session is completed. Okay. Take care all of you. Okay. Bye. Let me see. Underline the words and write. Make a list. Difficult words. Sit and read the lesson. Underline the words. Make a list and find the meanings. In case you don't know, send me in WhatsApp. Okay, ask with your ma'am and any teachers who is there near your house. Teachers, take their help, parents' help. Okay, this much. Today's session is over. Okay, bye. Take care. Bye bye.